All right, everyone. This is May 1st. European markets are closed, but we had ISM come out at 9 o'clock. That's what we're going to show today. Couple things when a big number comes out. I'm going to pause the screen. Number one, is it a big number? To me, ISM is the second biggest number of the month. It's a national look at manufacturing. First biggest number is the unemployment payroll number, which comes out Friday. This number could have some long standing impact on the market. Sometimes it keeps a trend in the market up or down if it's a bullish or bearish miss. 55.5 was expected. Anything more than a half a point's a big miss. So if it misses below 55 or above 56, that's a big miss. So let me play it, and it ends up being a bearish miss with a print of 52.8, right? Boom. You see all that? And pause it a second. Right now, it got all red in here because all the selling came in to price in a bearish ISM. And they cracked them all the way down to 47. That's where all this red came in. If I rewinded it a second, you could see when it started. What I do, we've been doing this since I began trading, was taught, know where the price was before a big move, whether it was a scheduled or unscheduled move. I call it ground zero. Ground zero is 51.52. It often acts as subsequent support or resistance. In this case, could act as resistance if the market comes back to where it started. Here's where it started. So let's continue on to play. It's going to have to reload. We'll continue to play it. You've seen it sink down from like 51.5, 52, all the way down to 47. We're going to watch what happens as it creeps back up. Now, the miss was big. Here's it, 50. Watch the top right of my screen as it comes back into this 51, 52 even area. I don't know where to buy or where to sell it. I'm looking to fade it, but I don't know where to do it. I'm looking for a seller to get stuck, or a buyer rather, right there. Did you see it? Not a seller. A buyer to come in and it can't go up. A buyer to come in and it can't go up. Let's rewind that. That was a good 1 minute. I'm going to rewind it. Why do you look for buyers if you're looking to sell it? Well, if the damn thing already came from 47 rather, it rallies 5 points into potential resistance, and then you see buying. Don't you think he's a little late? I also have the audio. It has a male voice. So watch it again. Where do you buy it? I don't know. Or I'm sorry, where do you sell it? You wait for a buyer, look to see him come in. Not happening so quick we don't see it. I'm going to lower the speed. You guys in the room, we've seen it on the first replay. Guys in the room, was the first time buyers came in from that whole rally, and it just, I don't know if that's the top of the rally. Who am I? All it is a stack probability game. That's all it is. Let's replay it at a slower speed here. We keep watching 52 evens. All I know is that probabilities, there it is, right there. See that green come in? All I know, and I'll pause it, probabilities is, number one, it just came down from 47.48 in the S&Ps. It just rallied 4 or 5 points. And then aggressive buying comes in. I'm thinking that they're late. If they can't get a reaction down, you want to fade this area because it's ground zero, where the price was before ISM. That's your moment to take a shot. Now, it didn't go down all the way back down to 45 and 40 and your 10-point winner, but it marked the top for a good entry, and it did leak down to 48, 49 even eventually. But this was important, how to trade a number when you can't catch the initial move. The initial move was down pretty quickly, came back up to where it started, gave you an order flow qualifier, and a nice 2 or 3 point head start for the downside. That's taking how to trade economic numbers and events, overlapping it with order flow, and therein lies your skill, your edge over other knuckleheads that never watch either. We'll see you guys on the next video.